Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ray. Thank you for joining me. Listen, got another product for us guys. I got the Rikon. Don't know what the hell it says, but you know, you get the point. All right, this is the cover for my Super Duty, guys. Listen, guys, thank you for joining me. This channel is about DIY, product review, how-to stuff, just whatever I'm into. I'm sharing that information with you, and this is something I thought I'll do a quick video on. Now, if you guys have a truck or any type of pickup truck and you bike with your family, you're gonna find that you're gonna need this cover. All right, I thought I wouldn't need one because I have a pickup truck and I have an open bed. I just could throw the bikes in there, but to tell you the truth, it's really cumbersome on getting the bikes out. And when you transporting them, they're shaking, they're rattling, and honestly, scratch your damn truck, right? And I need something to protect my truck from getting scratched. So I was doing my little research and came across this product here. It goes on the tailgate and it's supposed to hold the bikes in place and protect your truck from scratches. So what we're just gonna open it up, take a quick look at it. Then I'm gonna take it over to the truck and install it and give my opinion on, is it worth the 2 cents that I paid for it? And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna stop by rambling, like, subscribe, and let's just get into the video. Let's go. All right, guys, now this is how it comes. All right, when they ship it to you, it's in a big old box and it comes pretty much just like this in plastic. I already took the plastic off. They give you this nylon case if you want to store it in, which is not a bad look. So we're just gonna open this up. And again, this is my first time opening it, so I can't really tell you how it looks until we get it open. All right, again, I bike with my family. I'm transporting at least 4 bikes on a regular, all different sizes. So I thought I needed something to protect my bed. And this one has some positive reviews on Amazon. And check out that link. This is how it looks, guys. I'm gonna give you a close-up look at it real closely. First impressions, let me see. Very nice. Very, very nice. All right, look like some type of, what do you call this? I won't say suede, but with that soft material for the backing that goes on your bed. Looks very nice. It's double stitched. It looks like, or single stitch? Look like, yeah, double stitched. So got some good seams. Let me turn it over this way, guys. All right. And as you can see with this part here, let me see if I can demonstrate. What I like about this one is that, for one thing, this part is what sold me. This part here covers your tailgate handle. So you're able to get to it and pull down. Also, if you have a rear camera, which I do, I'm able to lock this up and still have functionality to my rear camera on my bed. So that's what sold me about this one here. And I also like it that it's very thick. I gotta tell you the truth. And I like this here with the pockets so you can store stuff when you transporting your bikes. Excuse me, guys. Plane coming over. It seems like damn planes always come over when you're recording. It doesn't fail. Okay, all right. I live near a small airport, so this is common in my area. Where was I? Okay, this part, well padded, thick padding too. So I definitely like that. This goes on top of the tailgate here, so it's not banging against your tailgate. I really like this. All right, here I can have up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bikes transporting, which is right on point what I need to do. And the straps here, they are aluminum, so that's okay to keep down course. I wish they were stainless steel, but aluminum is good. All right, this is not moving too much. And that's pretty much it, guys. Let me give you a closer look at it with the camera. Okay, very nice. Nice final straps, good stitching. The stitching is, look like it's double stitch, which is good. It's not bad. First impression, I'm liking it very much. And if you can see here, guys, the straps reinforced, triple, double stitched. Very nice cover by the looks of it. But the real test is once I get it on the truck to see how it functionality. And again, I like this. This goes into the bed, so you got pockets so you can throw quick things into your bed or just for store for quick reference with tools or what have you. So it's always there. I like that functionality. So just a close look at it. Let's take it over to the bed of the truck and get it installed, all right? Let's go. Yeah, all right, guys, listen, I'm gonna be honest with you. This was a brain teaser, all right, I can call it. I got it hooked up. I wasn't really too sure on how to do these straps, but I finally figured out. So I'm gonna take you along with me to show you how to get these straps on, all right? Because again, it didn't really make sense to me at first. Let me see if I can explain. As you can see, I already got the bike already set up, and let me just let you look at it real quick. All right, it sits in. Now I have the Diamondback, so it just barely fits for me due to my cover, but it's fine because what I'm gonna do, I travel with an air compressor, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna, when I travel, probably take some air out of this. So, because as you can see, my teeth for my pedals is resting right against this. And that's only due to because I have the Diamondback. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take some air out so I can get that back off of that. So that's not a big deal. But this is pretty much how it sits up. This padding has to be on top of here, and your straps are back here, and it ties in your bike. Now, the head turner for me in hooking this up is how to do these straps. Now, as you can see, when you get your straps, this is the end that goes into this teeth. Initially, I thought it was the Velcro part, but the Velcro part, it just keeps the additional strap tied in. So that's what that's about. So when you get it, just have it configured so this part goes here and this part goes around here, and you strap it in. And that's pretty much it, all right? Initially, I thought the Velcro goes up here for a quick connection, but it doesn't. All right, but this is how it's set up. As you can see, I got it coming around. On this end, you probably have some extended, so what you do, take this, go over here. Let me see if I can do this one hand. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do this with one hand. This goes over this and come back down, something like that, okay? You take this, you're able now to pull this down, to tighten it down, and then you take this part, go around, come around, and just strap this part down here. And that's how it works. And all right, I hope that makes sense to you. All right, I apologize. On initial, when I set this up, I thought it was more straightforward, but it wasn't. But now I'm able to, now I figured it out. So this Velcro part just keeps the straps together. And as you can see, this part comes over here, protects the tailgate, strap it down. All right, if you need your camera, you always can pop this off. It has another strap on the other place that you can strap it down, so you still have your camera and your access to your tailgate handle. All right, so that's how it looks. Tell you the truth, it's well made. It definitely is. The only hiccup, I had to spend a few minutes trying to figure out how to do the strap system, but now I figured out, now it makes sense. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this helps it clarify any type of confusion about this padding. Again, if you have any type of, well, if you have the Diamondback, you're not going to be able to close it, of course, because of the thickness of this, which is not a big deal. I just fold mine over and that'll be it. All right, just want to give you guys a closer look at it. Fits in nice and secure. Much better than how I was transporting my bikes before. If you bike with your family a lot or you're a mountain biker, you already know you need this if you have a pickup. But if you have more than, say, 3 bikes, 4 bikes, and you have some type of cover, pick this up for your tailgate, protects your tailgate, and it's much easier in transporting your bikes. So guys, I'm gonna end this video. Please consider like, subscribe, and I'll check you out in the next one. Later.